Hey guys, it's Matt, welcome to SpeedTutor, and today we're going to be looking at the top 3 Unity assets which have appeared for November-December 2024. This is an awesome collection of environments, 3D models, editor extensions, visual effects, sounds, and so many more. I'll feature some of the best in this video, and I'll leave all the links in the description for all of the rest of the over 100 free assets that you can get for this month. And I also do have a playlist of hundreds of videos where you can get thousands of Unity assets for absolutely free. Do be sure to check out the last day of Unity's asset store sale with loads of 70% off, 60% off, and 50% off. Do be sure to come and support me and get over 225 different scripts, assets, and projects that you cannot find anywhere else on my Patreon. We'll start off with the Azrael car controller. It's a free modular system for trucks and cars with a simple demo, and it's a whole car system to teach you about Unity's input system, Cinemachine, Text Mesh Pro packages, and the default wheel collider, where you can mess around with lights, interiors, materials, bodies, and all the things to make your car act like it should. The next one is the Game Dev Starter Kit, which is the farming pack, which is 115 free models with a level design demo with animated props, with 3 different demo scenes, various tiles, tools, animals, and different props in there too. The next one is the free inventory system for 2D games, and it could be translated for many other games too. It's ideal for creating a top-down tile-based game where you collect the items, they fall into the inventory, and you can move, select, use, and interact. We've got one here which is the candle visual effects for URP built-in and HDRP. And it's a bunch of candles with animations with various designs that you can just put straight in your game. Next one is the martial arts animation sample, and this does contain 25 different animations in various styles for attacking, dodging, grabbing, hits, knockouts, quick steps, walks, and taunts. This one is a really cool asset called the toolbar extensions. This allows you to add specific things to your toolbar, which include timescale, frame rates, different tints and modes. The next asset, what more could you want for populating your scene? And it's the wood box pack with 15 different objects, and you might think it's boring, but there's nothing better to populate your scene. You'll see it in AAA games, you'll see it everywhere. They'll have wooden crates, boxes, spools, and everything that you might need like that, just to add some bulk to areas. The next one is the bedroom interior, which is a bunch of low poly assets. And this could help you achieve this style if you're looking to create a cool game. I'm thinking of unpacking or something like that. So you've got beds, computers, wall clocks, wall mounts, air conditioning units, ceiling lamps, and other assets that you can make your cool little stylized theme. The next one is something called the missing scripts tool. And if you need something that'll just quickly remove or find specific scripts on particular game objects, this can be for you. You can drag it in, drop it in, and it will save you so much time finding those pesky yellow warnings. The next asset is the Game Dev Starter Tanks, which is 97 different models across 2 tanks, 1 demo scenes, and various tiles, collectibles, obstacles, plants, and other props in this unique little cozy style. Now, I don't usually feature sound effects packs because they're hard to show, but this organic glitch sound effects pack is quite cool. It comes with 78 glitches, 24 impacts, 10 loops, and 11 muddy tracks, and I'll give you a little preview in the background. Next one here is an asset called Sortify, and it's a tool set for an optimized workflow featuring color coding, notes, quick component access, and basic custom attributes to streamline your project, and that gives you access to attributes like toggles and headers and different things. And the last one in this set reminds me of the old school textures that you would see in a racing game when you'd see those arrows animated. Now this is the animated textures, and it's simple scrolling texture animations which you can use across your scene, and you can learn how to use these to create your own. So I do hope you find all of these assets useful. Check the last day out on the Unity asset store for all the sales and savings. I'll put all the links down below to all these assets, all the savings, and everything you need to know. And do be sure to come and check out my Patreon too to get over 225 different scripts, assets, and projects you cannot find anywhere else. Big thank you to all my patrons. Special thank you to Peter Steiner, Vera Schuther, and Jennifer for their amazing support. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Cheers.